Hey everyone, welcome back to Metacraft. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're making medical concepts simple and engaging. Today, we're diving into a very important topic: concepts of disease control, elimination, and eradication. Let's start with the basics. Disease control. This refers to measures taken to reduce the impact of a disease. The goal isn't to completely remove it, but to bring it down to a manageable level. Disease control helps by reducing incidence, that is, fewer new cases, shortening the duration of the disease so people recover faster, minimizing complications, both physical and psychological, lowering financial burden on the community. For example, malaria still exists, but with mosquito control programs and anti-malarial drugs, we can reduce its spread and severity. The disease persists, but it's not a major public health crisis anymore. That's control. All right. Now let's talk about disease elimination. Unlike control, elimination means completely interrupting transmission in a specific region. This means that new cases stop appearing in that area, but the disease might still exist in other parts of the world. Examples: measles elimination in some countries, polio elimination in many regions, thanks to vaccination campaigns. But here's the key point: if we stop preventive measures, the disease can return. That's why elimination is an ongoing process. Now, let's talk about the biggest achievement in public health: disease eradication. Unlike control and elimination, eradication is an absolute term. It means the disease is gone forever from the entire world. The term eradication literally means to tear out by the roots, completely wiping out the disease-causing agent. The best example? Smallpox, declared eradicated by WHO on May 8, 1980. No cases anywhere in the world since then. No vaccines needed anymore. And right now, we are very close to eradicating polio. With consistent vaccination efforts, polio could be the next disease to disappear forever. Exciting, right? Disease control reducing cases and impact, but disease still exists. Disease elimination, stopping transmission in a specific area, but risk remains. Disease eradication, complete global removal, gone forever. That's it for today's lecture on disease control, elimination, and eradication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.